Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Prakriti, and in today's video I am going to review Face's No Transfer Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This launched recently and I saw it on Nykaa. This retails for rupees 4.99 for 3.5 ml of product, but right now it's not available on Nykaa and it's not available on Purple as well, but you can buy it from Faces Canada's official website, which is facescanada.com. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box, but before that please watch this review. This comes in 12 shades and I have got 3 shades with me just because I cannot swatch all the 12 shades on my lips. First of all, this is somewhat drying type of liquid lipstick and my lips are super dry and they flake almost every day, so I just can't swatch all the 12 shades. But the shades that I have are 05 Silent Stalker, 10 Meme Monster, and number 12 Grammar Nazi. These are the 3 shades that I have, and the first thing that I want to mention is that these are somewhat different from what I saw on the website. These are a little bit darker than how the shades are portrayed on the website. Now, according to Faces, these are liquid lipsticks with intense color payoff in a single swipe. Offers smudge proof, transfer proof, and long lasting wear, enriched with chamomile oil that nourishes lips, highly pigmented formula that sets to a beautiful matte finish. Available in 12 stunning shades, free of parabens, and also this product is cruelty free. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. This comes in a plastic tube and this has got a really shiny cap. The doe foot applicator is really good. I liked it. It's not too stiff, not too loose. It's just perfect for the application of the lipstick. The shade name and number is given at the bottom of the packaging. So you also get a cardboard box inside which you get this lipstick. So this is the overall packaging of this product. Now, the first thing is that this lipstick is very pigmented. That's very true. It has got an intense color payoff. This has got one swipe pigmentation, although the shade that I have on right now, which is Grammar Nazi, this was a little bit patchy. I had to work a little bit to get an even application, although it dries into a completely matte finish, but still this shade was a little bit patchy, so I had to go in about 3 times to get it even. This is obviously smudge proof, it's transfer proof, and it's also waterproof. Definitely, it's very matte. I'm just going to do a transfer test to prove it here. You can see this is completely transfer proof, and it's also smudge proof because this is very matte, you guys. Now let's come to how it feels on the lips. I'd say that this is a little bit drying. Well, not a little bit, it is drying. These lipsticks are not very comfortable on your lips. They are drying and they will rip moisture off of your lips, so you have to make sure that you exfoliate really nicely and prep your lips really nicely before wearing these lipsticks. The brand claims that this is 100% transfer proof, which it is, and it's also very long lasting. It has got the lasting power of almost 7 to 8 hours, but I'll say that this fades from the inside first, which I really don't like about a liquid lipstick. It's not really beautiful to look at. I like an overall fade instead of something fading from the inside of my lips. So yes, but that can't be avoided with this lipstick. It does fade from the inside, and I've also seen another thing, that this will leave no tint. At least the shades that I have, which are 5, 10 and 13, they do not tint your lips. Now, another thing that they have to say over here is that it's enriched with chamomile oil that nourishes lips. That's not the case, you guys. I feel that this is ripping moisture off of my lips. It's a very drying kind of lipstick, especially for my lips, because right now I have really dry lips, so this is very drying. I'm not mad at it. It's something that I was expecting, because whenever I see a liquid lipstick turning this matte, I know that it's gonna be drying on my lips. The application took a little bit of time, but another thing that I want to add over here, that they are non-tacky. For example, if you press your lips together like this, they will not give you the feeling of that tackiness between the upper lip and lower lip. Now, if I look up close, I have to say one thing, that this is kind of exaggerating the fine lines on my lips. So all I want to say is that if you've ever used the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks, these lipsticks kind of feel like that. They are a little bit drying, although not as drying as the sugar ones. They are a little bit less drying and a little bit less harsh on the lips, but still they are drying, and especially if you have dry lips, I'd say that you can skip these lipsticks, although these come in affordable affordable category because these are $4.99, but on the other hand you also get less amount of product, just 3.5 ml. So yes, if you have really dry lips, I'd say that you skip these lipsticks. But if you're someone who loves a really powdery matte kind of finish and long lasting lipstick, this is the one that you can go for. And if you don't have dry lips, obviously I have to add that, because according to me these are drying on the lips. That's all I can say, and that's it for the review. Now let's get to the swatches.